REBT has truly been an amazing experience, a thrilling roller coaster ride, just like you promised.
I think this is more like walking into a tornado where there's so much resistance from every angle. But then at one point you reach like at the eye of the tornado, and then you see everything around you so clearly, and you're like, what is all this? It's wonderful. Thank you so much.
When I did REBT, it was the icing on the cake. I can now see all the pieces finally falling into the place.
This course has been amazing. We tried to look within to find answers, and with this I feel that we looked at our own irrational thoughts and kind of dwelled inside to see how we can change the way we think to lead a better, more fulfilling life and how to help others.
The model itself and the way we were taught, it's literally changed a lot of things for me. The way I live life, the way I perceive people around me.
When I told people I'm going to enroll for REBT and it's an online thing, people were not very supportive and I said it's an online thing. But the moment I said it is Dr. Meenu Bhosle, they said just go for it. सोचना ही क्या है इसमें when she's there with you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for teaching REBT in such a beautiful way. It has created a lot of aha moments for me. I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, and warm fuzzies for you, ma'am.
Thank you for being a fantastic teacher. I always hated this profession of being a teacher myself, and I am a teacher. But when I see you, I think I have so much more to learn in life. And you've taken me to a journey which I think I would have never discovered on my own.
So I would, keep coming back for more.
Thank you, ma'am, for making me such an independent person, actually. And thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity. But if you could have not recognized my abilities, I would not have got this opportunity. So I'm very grateful to you for giving me such a huge opportunity, because I was not knowing you. And I don't feel that we are unknown. Like, I feel that I know you since from when. And I'm really grateful for your method of teaching. What you expected from us, like not to give spoon feeding, is really a best method, which I feel. Thanks a lot, ma'am, and thank you so much for your support and guidance. And I would like to learn more and more from you more. I want more opportunities. God give me some more opportunities to learn from you.
This has helped me a lot, actually. It has helped me a lot in various ways, actually.
There's a saying in the Arabic language, Al-ilmu fi as-sighar kan-naqsh fi al-hajar, meaning what you learn in childhood is engraved on stone. So ma'am, there are two things that I want to share in regard to this saying. One, that you ignited my inner child, my passion. I became a student again, which I really missed. Teachers come in your life and they put a mark. So after 40 years, I have another teacher in my life who has engraved a lot of learning and put a mark I'll never forget, ma'am. Thank you.
God gave me this opportunity to be with you, and you are just an inspiration for me, that a person can be so calm and assertive in own particular life. There is so much to learn from you, how to behave with people, how to connect with the people.
A connection with HTH is just undefinable for me, because there was an internal free connection that I could relate to. No one guided me there other than my Lord. He guided me to that place, and I'm so glad.
From the bottom of my heart, I'm saying that I have met my Saraswati Sakshat. Thank you so much.
Thank you for guiding us through the darkness into the light.
I mean, I came like an onion with an inedible skin, and you are the slicer. Absolutely sliced me through and through, clawed through each of my layers bit by bit, and each module took it slow. REBT was like unveiling the most intimate details within me, and I think with the tools that you've provided us, there's so much more to discover.
After doing REBT, I realized it's not about just accepting what happened, it's about sometimes dealing with those things. So thank you so much for that.
No words to thank you, ma'am. It has been a beautiful, beautiful journey with you.
It was quite liberating.
And you, ma'am, have touched my life. I have not found a teacher, a therapist, a counselor like you in so many years of my life.
It was an amazing journey, and to be trained under you, I feel like blessed.
I started with Kharkov creative writing TA now REBT. I would really like to say that I was a very bad student in college who used to ask others to do my assignments and never attend class and things like that, and it has completely changed now. This is something that you have brought into us, and at least in me, that responsibility, that empathy, that that thing that I want to learn. I want to be authentic. I want to be I want to give my best, to do my best for myself and for people around me.
मला आता इझिली स्वतःवरती काम करायला आणि लोकांबरोबर पण कनेक्ट व्हायला खूप छानरित्या जमायला लागलं ह्या REBTच्या ट्रेनिंग.
I had started my Kharkov journey when I was in college, and I am here now with the REBT training done, and I still am amazed with the kind of revelations that keep coming out of each training that I do with you. I really don't ever want these trainings to stop.
From Robert Kharkov to REBT, it's a life-changing journey for me, और स्पेशली लाइफ चेंजिंग के साथ लाइफ सेवर जर्नी. Kharkov में सेल्फ अवेयरनेस की, टीए में गेम अवेयरनेस हुआ तो बहुत से झगड़े होने बच गए, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होने बच गए, बहुत सी चीज़ें टूटनी बच गई, और REBT में अब तो शेम भी खत्म हो गया.
Now we can see that all these courses put together have helped immensely in self-introspection and self-change, and just brought about so much positivity and cheer in my own life.
So the first one was very how am I towards other people, which was Kharkov, and a lot about empathy. TA taught me exactly how I am since when I grew up and why I am the way I am. And I think REBT is literally the finishing or the end of the marathon, which is, okay, now how do you take these thoughts that maybe aren't serving you, and how do you make them into these rational thoughts, or just in a way creating compassion for yourself and others. So that's what REBT has been for me. So thank you so much for that.
We are blessed to be in connection with y'all, and through y'all we are connected to so many other souls around who are so like-minded, so genuine, and so loving and open for us. The way you have presented it so smoothly, it was like, seriously, itna aasan hai jaise ye sikha rahe. First, earlier we wanted to run away. I wanted to really run away, but then the kind of enthusiasm coming from the all around, that circle has been so helpful. Such supportive people, open to help you. That was such an amazing experience. I'm sure only with you and with HTH I could have enjoyed this.
After doing these courses, I feel I have become such a confident person. This has made me realize learning is a continuous process, and it has to go on for unveiling your own self.
I really thank Dr. Meenu for taking me down from my high horse. I had come with, I'm going to learn counseling, I'm going to help people, and the first sensitivity lab she did with us for Kharkov, I kind of found my inner wounded child. I am working towards healing her. I thank you, Dr. Meenu. That's all I can say. I am really, really grateful.
I mean, for everybody else, Albert Ellis would be REBT maybe, but for me, Dr. Meenu Bhosle is synonym with all these things for me. Kharkov and REBT is Dr. Meenu Bhosle.
Badi hoke Meenu ma'am banungi.
Your dedication is unparalleled, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for holding our hands through this journey. Your energy and your enthusiasm is infectious, and we are truly, truly blessed to have you as our guru. Thank you so much.
There were too many corona patients in my house and too much was happening. But your smiling face genuinely was an inspiration. I never knew what was self-love. Believe me, I am in my 50s, but I had never, in all these years, I had never done self-love. Thank you. Thank you for everything. A big salute to you. You are absolutely at par to Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad for me. I mean Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for me. I respect you so much, ma'am. Really, you're too good to adhere to 126 people, and especially in a course of REBT. It's hats off. Amazingly hats off. You understood so well, and you kept your cool. There were so many times I could see on the thing, like the same questions were being repeated again and again and again, but you so peacefully answered everybody, because for each one their question was very important, and you understood that concept so well, and you just amazingly you went through with all of us. I just cannot believe it, how to do it.
Would like to thank you for this opportunity to go into REBT and Kharkov, where I explored myself.
It feels good.
And you're a complete epitome of eloquence.
I just love doing anything with Dr. Meenu.
So thank you for this, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Rajan. Thank you, Dr. Aman, and you. And thank you for making me a part of you. And thank you for being a part of my life. I'm grateful. So love you always. And I hope to meet you soon when I come to Bombay. And stay blessed. Thank you, ma'am.
You know, I'm seeing all the techie people on the group. I was having so much of anxiety, but you all the time kept saying, we are fallible human beings. Chill, take a chill, relax. And that word relax of yours, it's yet echoing in my ears. Like every time I get stressed out, I relax. You did it so beautifully, and it's embedded in me. Like, okay, this is what I have to do. Just relax, and then the whole anxiety fizzles out.
Honestly, I'm blessed to have done this online because I feel like it would be a little hectic if I were to do all of this in person.
When I did Kharkov, I was a caterpillar who had turned into a butterfly. And then when I did TA, I saw TA as a lighthouse. But still there was something missing. Now, when I did REBT, now I can do the confrontations, and now I can do, I can say no without explaining myself. And it has become so much easier for me.
The kind of personalities that you all are, the teachers that you all are, the mentors that you all are, the counselors that you all are, have such high standards set for us. It's really like it's a great height to look up to you all, and it's a great journey to come to even that level.
Thank you so much.
कभी कभी हम बेहद बेशुमार बोल जाते हैं, लफ्जों का खेल फिर तमाशा बन जाते हैं, अल्फाज कभी आरज़ू कभी अफसाना बुन जाते हैं, जिंदगी तेरी तलब में काफिराना पैगाम बन जाते हैं। सच है कभी कभी हम बेहद बेशुमार बोल जाते हैं। खैर, उनकी तारीफ में लफ्ज कम पड़ जाते हैं। सच है दोस्तों की कतारों में हम खो से जाते हैं। बेशक कभी कभी हम बेहद बेशुमार बोल जाते हैं।